everyone, my name is Agastya and welcome to my channel Curious Mind. Can you guess where I am? If it's Gujarat, you are right. And can you guess where exactly I am? It's Statue of Unity. So we are just starting our journey from here. There is locker room and all, and we can rent some cycles there. This is the map of Statue of Unity. There are many things you can do here. So we are hiring this e-bike and we will go Statue of Unity with this bike. So my cycle is getting ready for my hike. So we have almost reached by our e-bikes, and when in the e-bike, when we put the pedal, it feels like someone is pushing from the back. We have almost reached. As you can see, I am very excited, and there is a dam, part of dam we can see. We have reached the largest statue. These cycles stand. Beach, and it's looking very nice. So we have reached and see this wonderful fountain. Daddy, I'm like this. यहाँ पे लोग So we found this peaceful place. There is no one in this whole place. It is behind the river. So we found this peaceful place. There is no one in this whole place. It is behind the river. Hello. On my right hand, you will find. On my right hand, you will find a beautiful flower valley. So we have reached the river is very deep. We are going to the bridge. Can you hear the voice of river? And the fun thing is that there is no one here. We are using that trail. Hear the sound of dinosaurs. Oh. So there are different types of dinosaurs. It is good for kids.